Hey everyone, welcome back to Polyglot Equations, and today I've come with a very interesting topic, that is linear equation in one variable. So let's get started. So we have some equations, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve each equation and try to make you understand as well. So our first equation is y plus 3 is equals to 10. Alright, before dive into this equation, we need to understand some few things. That is, uh, before this sign, before the symbol, we will call LHS, means left hand side, and after this symbol we will call RHS. It means right hand side. You all have to keep in your mind that if we replace the digit from LHS to the RHS, or if we replace from the RHS to the LHS, then the symbol of that the previous place would be the opposite. For example, let me explain you with the same equation, like y plus 3 is equals to 10. Then we can, okay, see, we have two things in here in this equation. Y is the variable term, and the 3 and 10 is the constant. So our motive is to put the 3 uh, together with the constant term, right? So we have to replace this number 3 to the RHS side. So before 3 was the positive, so we have to write negative sign with so 3 minus 10 minus 3 is 7, right? So it means y is equals to 7. Okay, now here's the thing. So the our equation was y plus 3 is equals to 10, right? It means if we add 3 to in the y, then we will get 7, right? And we already solved this equation and we got y is equals to 7 now. It means y, the value of the y is 7. So if my answer is correct, it means then if we put it here, the value of y, the 7 and plus 3 in LHS, that is left hand side, so we will get 10, and it must be equal to the RHS. See, RHS is also 10. It means that our answer is 100% correct. I hope you understand it. So if you understand, then please like my video and subscribe it. Thank you.